Okay, so never thought I'd be saying this, but after 15 years working in the solar industry in all different sectors, thousands of installs later, there will be the end of what we know as Deege Solar. Not bad news. We are now part of a much bigger group and we're happy to join the Upvolt family. We are nationally known now as Upvolt Kent and it's been a huge transition. We're super excited. We've been loving every minute of it. Okay, so some of you might be asking why, and Upvolt is more than just a new name. It's a national network of renewable energy specialists. So the next step for us brings together Deege's proven track record with a now wider technical resource securing us from the supply chain and a deeper technical foundation. So what does that mean? In simple terms, your systems are now secure with us for today, tomorrow, and for the life of the system. So the name on the vans are going to be changing to Upvolt, but I want to be clear. To our existing clients, the expert team that you've trusted for over a decade remains exactly the same. Your installation crews, the project managers, and your support contacts have not changed. What has now changed is the scale of the support behind us. Your local supplier now is part of a national network and a group that brings together the best of regional expertise like us here in Kent. Amazing. Let's go.